Step number 1. Identify a video that has over 57 times the outlier score than the average of other videos. That is how we know these particular videos are going viral. Step number 2. Right-click and copy this video, paste it into Pinterest and piggyback this virality to get paid per every click that you get on this video. Right over here is a whole bunch of other people that have most recently got paid promoting videos around the world. This person over here got paid over $10.26, $5, $8, $278, $11, $15, $180. So as you can see, the income from this is not going to be out of this world. But it's a really nice side hustle that will pay you a couple of bucks for just sharing and watching other YouTube videos. So how exactly can you do this? Well, you need to watch this video until the end because I'm going to break this down in a really simple step-by-step chronological order. But it's super important because each part of this video is going to relate to the next part, and therefore you can't miss any important information that I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video. Firstly, I'm going to teach you a really fantastic YouTube tool that will help you identify viral YouTube videos that you can go and find and use to find for this particular strategy. Because remember, the whole idea of the strategy is we want to piggyback existing trends and existing videos that are going viral. Simply come over to a website called vidIQ on Google. You can go and open up their website over here. The easiest way is to actually go and click on install Chrome extension, and you want to go and add the vidIQ Chrome extension to your browser. Once that's been added, come over to YouTube and you'll see over here on the homepage, different videos will have different outlier scores. Some will have 0.9 times, 0.2 times, 100 times, 10 times, 38 times, also again 100 times. And really what we want to look for is the videos that are 50 times plus, because those particular videos are doing 50 times better than the average of the videos on that particular person's channel, meaning the algorithm is starting to pick up and push those particular videos. One example that I really like is music. It's a really easy industry and a really easy niche to do this with because a lot of people love listening to music. It doesn't require an attention span at all, so it's definitely something we can get a lot of clicks to make money with every time someone clicks on that. So let's go and use this nostalgia music playlist over here of about 3 hours, and we'll use this as the example of today's video. And as you can see, this video has over 100 times outlier score, meaning this video is doing 100 times better than the average of all the videos on Chillbeat's channel, which is good. This is what we want to use. The algorithm and YouTube is pushing out this video, so we want to catch onto this. We can go and right-click, copy the link of this particular video, come over to Google again, and go and search for a tool called Thumbnail Save. This is a tool where we can go and grab thumbnails from videos on YouTube. Go and paste the link to this video, click on View Thumbnails, and over here you can see the picture of this Nissan GTR. We can go and click on right-click Save As and save this to our PC. After we've downloaded this thumbnail, all we need to do is convert this into a portrait format thumbnail that will suit the Pinterest feed in a format like this. Simply come over to canva.com, go and search up Create a Design, click on Custom Size, click on 1080 by 1920 on the height, click on Create New Design, and it will open up a new tab in canva.com where we have now a portrait format page where we can go and edit this thumbnail. Click on Uploads on the left-hand side, click on Upload Files, come over to YouTube where we save that picture of the Nissan GTR, upload this to Canva, and you'll see over here, this has now been added. We can now go and play around and edit our portrait thumbnail. Click on Apps on the left-hand side, click on Magic Media, and all we want to go and type here is a midnight purple background. Click on Enter, and we'll let this AI tool create like a matching purple midnight background that we can use to fill up these white blanks. And why I recommend you actually put some effort into this portrait format is simply because, well, you want this to look as good as possible for Pinterest and also for YouTube Shorts. So we can go and click on, for example, this option over here. We can add this to our page, just stretch this out, click on Position, click on Send to Back. And over here you can see, if we centerize this image, this looks much better than the missing white blanks that we had previously. And you want to simply go and type the following. Add a heading by clicking on Text, Add Heading, drag the heading to your top, come back to your YouTube video, and as you can see over here, nostalgia night drive music. So we can type here 3 hours of nostalgia night drive music. We can just shrink this a little bit, perhaps to 72, just to censorize that. We can actually replace this text with the glow text over here, which actually really matches the theme nicely of this thumbnail. So again, we can just go copy this, paste this over here, and again, just go and make this 72. All right, we can delete this. We can increase the size slightly, censorize this, and all you want to type at the bottom over here is click this image for the full YouTube playlist. All right, again, we can shrink this text over here, select our color, and go and make this white. And perfect, we now have our done for you thumbnail ready for Pinterest. And not only Pinterest, you can use this for Instagram, run ads on Instagram. You can use this on Twitter, run ads on Twitter. You can use this on Pinterest and run boosts on this to get this pin listed at the top pages of Pinterest, where again, your pin will be exposed to hundreds of thousands and millions of people. So let's come back to Canva, click on share on the top right hand side, click on download, click on PNG, and click on download. And this picture will now download to our PC. The next step is to come over to Pinterest.com. And I'm going to show you how to post this pin, how to optimize it to get the most clicks and get the best ranking possible. And also how we will get paid every single time somebody clicks on this nostalgic night drive music pin that we've just posted onto the YouTube playlist. So on Pinterest homepage, your homepage will look something like this. Click on create organic pin. If you want to, you can also create a pin for an ad, meaning you can boost this pin to the top pages of specific search terms. But let's start off organically and we'll post this pin completely organically. Click on create pin under organic. Here where it says click a file, come back to the folder where you've saved this pin that we've added. And over here for the title, we simply can go and copy and paste off of YouTube. So I'm going to quickly open this link in a new tab. We can copy the title straight from YouTube, come back to Pinterest, paste this over here. Again, we just want to type here 3 hours car music, come back to Pinterest. We can put this in brackets and then obviously add here 2024. For a detailed description, we can actually go and copy the entire track list of the specific playlist. So come back to Pinterest and go and paste this over here. For the link, we're going to come back to this in a bit. For our board, we want to go and create a new board and we can go and type here music playlists. For example, click on create. Now we have a new category board for the specific video. For our tags, really cool tool. Again, you can go and use vidIQ. Just come back to YouTube of that specific video, copy the tags of this video. So if you come to the homepage, scroll down, you'll see over here, vidIQ gives you the tags of this video that you can click on copy to clipboard. And again, we can go and copy that onto our pin. All right, now for the part where we're going to go and get paid every single click or every single time someone clicks on this playlist, you need to come over to a website called ShrinkMe.io. Which is one of the highest paying URL shorteners where you can get paid up to $222 per 10,000 views, which is not hard to achieve. But like I said, this is not something that's going to pay a lot of money. It's going to pay a couple of bucks, but 1 or 2 of those videos that do take off can substantially boost your earnings with this. And you'll see over here, if I come over to payment proof, there's a whole bunch of people that have been earning from this. The latest payout, which was just a couple of hours ago, got over $10.26. This website paid a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count over 20 payouts yesterday alone. The largest of being $278. So this person obviously used some kind of strategy where one of his videos or his piece of content that is getting these clicks went kind of viral. And that's exactly what can happen. 1 or 2 of these payouts can blow up, but on average, I'd anticipate anywhere between $5 and $15 perhaps per month. So like I said, it's not going to be something crazy, but really, really easy to do. And at the same time, you're just piggybacking trends of viral videos. the next step you need to go and do is log in with your free account. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look something like this. And you'll see over here, just in March of 2024 alone, on 2,086 views, I've earned a total of $17.80, which again is not a ton of money, but it's really easy, simple side hustle money. If you quickly want to go and get an idea of the different CPMs per country, you can come back to the homepage, click on payout rates, and you'll see over here, currently the top countries that pay the most money is Greenland, Ireland, and United States. So if you ever decide to run ads on your specific, in our example today, YouTube playlists, we want to focus on running ads in these top 3 countries where we primarily get these clicks and get a much higher CPM per click. It's obviously, we don't want to be getting clicks in Thailand that's only paying $4. We would much prefer to get clicks in the United States, Ireland, and Greenland that is paying anywhere between $11 and $22. It's really a no-brainer. Let's continue to the next step where you can go and create your unique link with ShrinkMe.io so that every time someone clicks on that link, you will earn a couple of cents per click. Come over to the homepage of ShrinkMe.io. After you've logged in, once you've logged in, it will view the dashboard button over here and simply come back to YouTube, copy the link of this YouTube 3-hour playlist, paste it over here in ShrinkMe.io, click on send, and over here you'll see you have your new link. Now, how exactly does this work? Well, every time you click on this link, there's going to be 1 or 2 ads that pop up, and then it will eventually take through the viewers or your leads to the full playlist on YouTube, and this website will reward you a couple of cents per click. So you're getting monetized through these ads. Simply now, go and copy this ShrinkMe.io link, come back to your Pinterest pin, and add your link over here. And that's it. Click on publish. This Pinterest pin has now been posted to Pinterest with your clickable link. So you'll see over here, the Nostalgia Funk Mix for Night Drive 3-hour calm music 2024. And when people click on this link, it's going to take them to a page where there's a couple of ads. They will need to wait about 30 seconds, complete this capture. They then click here to continue, which will then take them to the YouTube playlist where you would have then earned another view, and also your earnings would have gone up by perhaps a couple of cents. I recommend go and try it for yourself. See if it works for you. See if you get a couple of earnings. And once you get the ball rolling, you can start to go and run those ads in the top 3 higher CPM countries. Now, if you want to learn way more sustainable ways of making money online, I'm talking about full-blown affiliate businesses, mentorship businesses, trading businesses, e-com businesses. I'm going to leave 3 of my best playlists on the screen above me over here. These playlists consist of years of information that I've learned over the years that I've documented on my YouTube channel in forms of various different tutorials and courses completely for free for you guys to watch. So what I recommend you do is if you can't watch these playlists now, save them to your watch later so that you can watch them at a later period. But in the meantime, if you're ready to move there and really scale, click on one of these playlists over here on the screen, and I'll see you over there.